Welcome back to Zubair IELTS, the show where your band score gets smarter, faster. Today's episode is a treat for anyone aiming for band 7 or above. How can you instantly level up your vocabulary, just by swapping simple words for advanced ones? We'll reveal 12, say this instead, swaps, and I've got Sara here to help me.
Hi everyone. I love learning new words that make my English sound better, so I'm really excited.
Great to have you, Sara. So, why do these vocabulary upgrades matter? Because in IELTS, using a range of academic and less common words will boost your lexical resource score, a full 25% of your total writing or speaking grade. Let's jump in. Say good, try, beneficial, or advantageous. Sara, give me a basic sentence with the word good.
A healthy diet is good for you.
Now, let's upgrade it. A healthy diet is beneficial for your overall well-being. Or, a healthy diet is advantageous in maintaining a strong immune system. Number 2 is bad, try, harmful, or detrimental. How about a bad example?
Air pollution is bad for people.
Advanced version. Air pollution is detrimental to human health. Or, air pollution can be harmful, especially for children and the elderly. 3. Say, people, try, individuals, citizens, or the public. Instead of repeating, people, try. Many individuals prefer online shopping. Or, governments should protect citizens' rights. Advanced version. Air pollution is detrimental to human health. Or, air pollution can be harmful, especially for children and the elderly. 3. Say, people, try, individuals, citizens, or the public. Instead of repeating, people, try. Many individuals prefer online shopping. Or, governments should protect citizens' rights.
So, I shouldn't just keep saying people again and again.
Exactly. Variety is key for a higher band. 4. Say, things, try, factors, aspects, issues, or items. Let's upgrade things in your essays.
Many things affect health.
Try. Many factors influence health. Or, there are several aspects to consider regarding a healthy lifestyle. 5. Say, get, try, obtain, receive, or acquire. Instead of get a job, obtain employment. Or, acquire new skills. These words sound more academic and formal. Number 6 is say, make, try, create, develop, or generate.
Technology makes life easier.
Technology facilitates daily life. Or, technology creates new opportunities.
Oh, I really like facilitates.
Number 7. Say, a lot of, try, numerous, a wide range of, or countless. Too many students use a lot of. Instead, there are numerous reasons for this trend. Or, a wide range of studies support this view. Number 8. Say, shows, try, demonstrates, reveals, or illustrates.
Research shows the benefits of exercise.
Research demonstrates the benefits of exercise. Or, the data illustrates a clear link between physical activity and mental health. Number 9. Say, help, try, assist, support, or enable. Try. Volunteers assist local communities. Or, this measure will enable students to succeed. Number 10. Say, important, try, crucial, essential, or vital.
Education is important for children.
Education is essential for children's development. Or, early childhood education plays a crucial role in future success. Number 11. Say, easy, try, straightforward, uncomplicated, or accessible. Instead of, the instructions are easy to follow. Try. The instructions are straightforward. Or, the guidelines are accessible to everyone. Number 12. Say, big, try, significant, considerable, or substantial.
Climate change is a big problem.
Climate change is a significant issue facing our planet. Or, there has been a considerable increase in global temperatures over the last century. Let's have a challenge, Sara. I'll give you a basic sentence, and you try to upgrade it with one of these words.
Okay.
Social media has a lot of effects on young people.
Social media has numerous effects on young people. Or, social media can have detrimental or beneficial effects on young people, depending on its usage.
That's fantastic. Notice how the upgraded version is not only more formal, but also packs more meaning and precision. Remember everyone, don't just use advanced words for the sake of it. They need to fit your ideas and sound natural. A forced word will never impress the examiner, but a well-chosen synonym does.
So, when should I start using these in my writing and speaking?
Start today. Make a habit of swapping out simple words every time you practice. And when reviewing your essays, highlight any repeated basic words and replace them with a synonym from your new, advanced toolkit. As we wrap up, let's run through our 12 advanced replacements one more time. Pause after each. Good, beneficial, advantageous. Bad, detrimental, harmful. People, individuals, citizens, the public. Things, factors, aspects, issues. Get, obtain, acquire, receive. Make, create, develop, generate, facilitate. A lot of, numerous, a wide range of, countless. Shows, demonstrates, illustrates, reveals. Help, assist, support, enable. Important, crucial, essential, vital. Easy, straightforward, uncomplicated, accessible. Big, significant, considerable, substantial. You're welcome, Sara. And to everyone listening. Practice these, and you're one step closer to impressing your IELTS examiner. That's it for today's IELTS Insight. Subscribe for more tips. And remember, use the right words, and your answer stands out every time.
Good luck, everyone. Bye.